How to get public bank statement online easy guide. Most people get this wrong, but obtaining a public bank statement online is much simpler than you think. You won't believe how quickly you can access your financial records safely and securely. Start by logging into your bank's official online banking portal or mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure network and that the website is the legitimate bank domain to avoid phishing risks. Once logged in, navigate to the account for which you need the statement. Look for the Statements or e-Statements section. Here most banks allow you to view statements for the past 6 to 12 months, depending on their policy. Select the specific statement period you need. Most banks offer options to download the statement in PDF format, which is convenient for printing or emailing. Some even allow you to generate a CSV version if you need to analyze your transactions. The surprising truth is that many people think they must visit the branch or request statements by mail. Online banking makes it instant and eco-friendly. If you need to share it publicly for verification purposes, make sure to redact sensitive information like account numbers and personal identification numbers. Some banks also allow you to set up automatic e-statement delivery to your email each month, which ensures you never miss an update. Always double-check that your email address is current to avoid delivery issues. In conclusion, getting a public bank statement online involves logging into your official bank account, navigating to the Statements section, selecting the period, and downloading the PDF or its version. By following these steps, you can access your bank statements quickly, safely, and efficiently without ever visiting a branch.